So the website technology tool that I was given to research and test about is called the H5P. The H5P stands for HTML5 package. So this website overall is very easy to navigate. At the top it has a running bar that keeps track of everything for you and helps keep everything very organized. So the first thing will be examples and downloads, which just shows you some featured things and the content type. Under content type, it has all of the things that they offer listed for you there. So they have things like games, which has things like flashcards and pairing and memory. And then they have multimedia, which has charts and collages, things like that. And then questions, things like quizzes and dialogue cards. And then under social media, they have course presentations. So the H5P is a free and open website to use. It's extremely easy to sign in and get an account. And it helps with assisting with creating, sharing, reusing content. And it includes a large amount of interactive content like videos and quizzes and games and presentations. So I'm going to show you an example of one of these activities that are interactive that you could possibly use in your own classroom. So I'm going to show you the interactive video. So when things pop up, you can hit on it and then you can answer the question. So this can really help keep your students engaged in class and following along with the video and not just getting sidetracked and not paying attention to the video. So they could answer strawberry and then you continue and the video will continue. As the video goes on, there's more questions that you can ask. So far what has been added, you can click the strawberries and then the blueberries, and then it will check you right there. So I think there's a lot of ways that you can integrate this into the classroom. You can do videos like I just showed you that interact with students, and you can also play other games like the matching and the quizzes, and I think it really interacts and it can help review and learn things as a whole group instruction. I think it's more of a whole group instruction type of website just because it's more of a teacher website and you don't want your students to have their own accounts on this website. So privacy, their policy on privacy is clearly stated. If you just scroll down to the bottom, you can click on the privacy policy, and under there they have all of the ideas that they have on their privacy stated. So it goes 1 through 14, and then you can add a comment to the bottom if you have a question or you want to add something to it. So under number 3, it says how we use your personal data. And scrolling down, I read through this. One statement that really stood out to me was the legal basis for the processing is our legitimate interest, namely the protection and assertion of our legal rights, your legal rights, and the legal rights of others. I think that they might want to protect us, but I wouldn't let my own students create their own personal accounts just because they do state how they will use and they may use personal data for insurance issues, management risks, and other things along those lines. So I would stick to mainly a teacher website that you can use in small group instruction led by the teacher or a full class instruction. So a lot of standards went with this. I'll just list some of them off. The first one would be learning under 1B. And I think this website really goes along with global learning networks and it helps students participate in class. I think it gets them motivated to do class and it's a different way than just watching a video and not interacting with it. Collaborate under 4B. I think it's a way that the whole class can really collaborate and co-learn with other classmates and meanwhile using their technology resources. Another one would be as a facilitator under 6B, the teacher management of the use of this technology can really help students learn new strategies through this technology app. And lastly, analysis under 7A, which would be providing students alternative, like different ways to learn and show what their understanding of the material is. So lastly for you, I just have my works cited, some of the videos and books that I used to help me with this presentation. Thanks for watching.